Now exercise 3.5 first sum. Solve the following equations. First subdivision sin square x minus 5 sin x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now this equation is in trigonometric form, that is sin x, sin square x, 5 sin x. So I am replacing this sin x by y. So let sin x is equal to y. So we can write here y square minus 5y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now this is in the quadratic equation. So here the product is 4 and the sum is minus y. So we can take the two numbers to be equal to 1 and then 4. So since it is minus 5, we can take minus 1 and minus 4. 1 4 is 4 and minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. So we can write here y minus 4 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. That is y minus 4 is equal to 0. Y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. Again replace this y by sin x. That is sin x is equal to 4 and sin x is equal to 1. Here sin x is equal to 4 is not possible. Y means the range of sin x is always lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So the sin x value is between minus 1 and plus 1 only. So only this is not possible. Now consider this. Sin x is equal to 1. Since it is in sign form, I am replacing this 1 by sin pi by 2. So we can write sin x is equal to sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 90 degree. That is sin 90 degree value is equal to 1. So we can write sin x is equal to sin pi by 2. If the trigonometrical equation is like this, means that is sin x is equal to sin alpha, means then the general solution for this one we can write as x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 the whole power n into alpha for all n belongs to z. This is the solution we already studied in the 11th standard. So applying this format here, sin x is equal to sin alpha. Here sin x is equal to sin pi by 2. So the solution for this one we can write from here, that is x. Here also x. So I am writing x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 the whole power n into alpha. Here the alpha is here pi by 2. So I am writing here pi by 2. So this is the solution we can write. Otherwise, if you are considering here the minus 1 the whole power n term is, that is if n is odd means then minus 1 the whole power n is equal to minus 1. Again if n is even means minus 1 the whole power n is equal to plus 1. So minus 1 and plus 1 we are having. So in order to separate this minus 1 and plus 1, we can replace this n by 2n. So that we can write x is equal to 2n pi plus minus 1 the whole power. Here also n no. So 2n we can write 2n into pi by 2. So here 2n pi, the value of minus 1 the whole power 2n is 1. So we can write plus pi by 2. So x is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2 for all n belongs to z. So this is the modified answer for this term.